Hello, welcome students to Social Work 572, Forensic Social Work. I hope you've enjoyed your Memorial Day weekend, and I want to welcome each of you. I've reviewed my roster and I recognize a couple of names, and I'm excited to work with you guys and learn from you guys. So I wanted tonight to go over the syllabus with you. First and foremost, the best way to contact me is through my email, right there, haroldm3@nku.edu. You can also text me at any time, and there's my personal cell phone number. Just introduce yourself so I know who's texting me. Scrolling down, I realize you guys can read, so I don't want to bore you completely. So bear with me here. I'm scrolling. Okay. So, required text is right here. Very important. Get that book. You can do a hard copy book if that's what you would like, or you can purchase an e-copy. Doesn't matter to me. However, you can facilitate your learning process to the best of your abilities, whether it be hard copy, e-copy, I do not care. So just make sure you purchase that in some way, shape, or form. And then you will have a couple of assignments due requiring you to watch either What's Eating Gilbert Grape or This Boy's Life. You may check your local library if you're looking for, a free digital copy, which is what I would do. I'm frugal like that. But you could also probably stream it for pretty cheap, like $2 or $3. So your choice. Just, I want you to be prepared that you will need to either purchase that or rent it in the future. So expectations of students, obviously, I expect you to complete your assignments timely. If you're unable to, please email me, but email me ahead of time. Okay, don't email me the day after the assignment was due. Okay, so if something's going on in your life and you're unable to complete an assignment timely, email me and I'll work with you. Okay, so I want you to know that you're expected to spend around 5 hours a week on this course. During that time, you're expected to log on to the course site 2 to 3 times a week, checking the discussion boards and Q&As and any announcements that I might post. I want you guys to be pretty upfront and honest with me. Forensic social work contains sensitive topics and may trigger trauma for some of you. So reach out to me if for some reason you're feeling triggered by any of the topics that we're working through in this course, okay? Please don't feel bad about that. I want to support you the best way that I can. Alright, so there are 3 main assignment components. The first assignment component is the weekly participation assignments. Make sure that you log in and you complete those each week. The purpose of those is so that you can integrate the material that we cover each week into an assignment at the end of the week, which you'll receive feedback on from me, okay? So your other 2 core assignments are your Forensic Social Work Special Population Analysis assignment and then the writing assignment. I'm going to leave those open for you to investigate and go ahead and start planning with. The due dates are going to come up pretty quick because it's such an accelerated course, so I want to give you guys freedom in exploring those assignments. They're pretty big assignments throughout the semester. So each week we'll begin on a Monday, and your assignments will be due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Just wanted to highlight that. Also, feel free to access the rubrics. Those are available for you to review as well. Double check those before you post a final assignment to me. Double check them. Make sure that everything is squared away, that you've done, that you've followed the rubric to the best of your abilities, okay? So I will grade and provide feedback within a week. Now that's unless some kind of unforeseeable event happens in my life, and in which case I will also be transparent and upfront with you guys if for some reason that might happen. Date assignments. So I expect that you post your assignments timely. The due dates are posted on Canvas. If for some reason you cannot get your assignment in on time, email me. I'm more than willing to talk with you about that, whatever it might be that's causing you an issue in posting your assignment timely. Now, if for some reason I do not hear from you, each day that you are unable to post your assignment or you do not post your assignment is a 10% penalty. And after 48 hours, you'll likely receive a 0. So like I said, just be transparent with me, communicate with me. Online courses are a little difficult. If you're experiencing some kind of hardship, please email me and we can work through that, okay? So your core assignments, your written assignments, they are to be in APA format. I'll post an APA guide for you at some point throughout the semester for you to access. And I know APA is hard. I'm going through graduate school myself, and it's one of those, it's a learning process. So I will be sure to post some kind of an APA guide for you guys to hopefully make it easier for you when you're writing your papers, okay? And just for my own accountability, I will respond to your emails within 24 hours. So if you shoot me an email, please wait at least 24 hours before shooting me another email. I will get back to you within 24 hours or as soon as I can. I do ask that you work through the course week by week. I do have the course weeks locked. So each week it will open on a Monday, and then your assignments will be due by Sunday. Let me see what else. Let me see if there's anything else I want to cover here on the syllabus with you. So, as you can see here, here's the schedule. It's a very quick course, but I think it's pretty clear when things are due and what each week contains. Right here you can see what you're looking at each week. Alright, so I wanted to cut over to Canvas to kind of click around with you guys. I guess first let me go into student view so that I can show you what you're seeing when you get into Canvas. What you'll see over here to the left are tabs: home, assignments, discussions, grades, people, syllabus, quizzes, etc. If you go to syllabus, you're going to want to access that first and foremost. That's where you're going to find the syllabus. I'm pulling it up. There it is. We just went over it. So you are familiar with that, should be. And then underneath that is a layout of when your assignments are due. Everything is due, like I said, by a Sunday at 11:59. So the start date will be on a Monday. I'll open the week up on a Monday, and I expect that you turn your assignments in by that following Sunday. Let me go back to home. I want to go out of student view because I want to show you an assignment here. Okay, so week 1, introductions, icebreaker. All right, you're going to click on it. And if you go into that, you'll see your assignment. Let me see if I can make this bigger so you can see it. There we go. So you'll hit reply. You'll reply to the questions here, okay? And it's like that week by week. If you do have issues accessing this, please, again, reach out. There are technical difficulties always when it comes to this kind of stuff. So, and then down here, you'll see the core assignments that we talked about, the writing assignments. So yeah, so let me go back to student view. So if you do have any questions, concerns, etc., like I said, please reach out. I am here for you. I want you to have an awesome experience this semester. I'm super excited to work with you guys. Like I said, I recognize some of the names on the roster, and I think that there's a lot of experience in this group of people that we can teach each other maybe something new. And again, any questions, concerns, whatever, please reach out. It's an open door policy, even though it's an online course and I don't have a door to open. Text me, email me, do whatever I can to facilitate your learning process, okay? I hope you guys, again, have had a great Memorial Day weekend, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys starting tomorrow. Have a good night.